Okay, the next command that we're going to do modify-wise is the chamfer command. The chamfer command allows you to put a straight angled line on a squared corner, or in other words, a beveled edge onto a corner. This can be done with angles and linear distances, but it is very, very crucial on what lines you select first, because chamfers are going to be given predominantly as a distance and an angle or two distances, but the angle is always going to be either off of the horizontal or off of the vertical. So you have to pay particular attention from which axis the angle is being taken when you're looking at a part drawing. The chamfer command can be executed by hitting the drop-down arrow beside the chamfer fillet command, which is right underneath trim and extend, and you hit that drop-down menu and you choose chamfer. Now once you choose chamfer, it asks you to select first lines, but you want to do some things to set up your chamfer first. Now I like to particularly set up chamfers this way, and the following is an explanation on how to do that. Because chamfers are given in most cases with an angular measurement and a linear distance, and then from either the horizontal or vertical axis, you at this particular junction, once you started the chamfer command, type the letter A for angle, A, and hit enter. And it's going to ask you a couple of questions that you need to fill in information for. It says now to specify the chamfer length along the first line. Well, in this particular part, we want to put a 2.5 inch long chamfer. So type 2.5, enter. And the chamfer angle is going to be 30 degrees. So you type 30, enter. Now this particular chamfer wants to have a 2.5 inch long chamfer at 30 degrees, but it is off the upper right corner, but this chamfer is off the horizontal. Now this is important to know which axis that angle is being taken, because that determines which line you select first. If you want the 30-degree angle to be off the horizontal, then you need to choose the horizontal line first. If you would like the 30-degree chamfer to be off of the vertical side, then you would choose the vertical line first. So I will choose the horizontal line first, then choose the vertical line, and it now puts that bevel on that edge. Now I'm just going to simply right-click and repeat chamfer using the same settings that I already have, as you see on the screen, 2.5 length and 30 angle. And I want you to watch what happens if I were to select the vertical line and then the horizontal, as opposed to what I just did. So if I choose the vertical line first, then the horizontal, you can see that it puts the 30-degree angle off the horizontal axis. So it is very, very important which line you select first. It did not matter when you did fillet, because it's the same in both directions, but because when you put a beveled edge, it's not the same both ways unless it's 45 degrees. If it's any angle other than 45, you must know which line to select first. Now I'll just do one to 45 degrees on one of these corners so you can see that it doesn't make a difference which line you select first. So again, select chamfer, A for angle, so A, enter. The chamfer length, let's just make it 1.5 and make it 45. And it doesn't matter which line we select first because it's the same both directions. As you see, if I right click and repeat, I selected the horizontal first that time. If I pick the vertical, it does the exact same thing because it's the same this way as it is this way. That is the chamfer command, showing you how to put beveled edges on straight corners. Thank you for watching.